What up guys, Anthony here. So I'm about to disembark on a crazy journey. This is going to be one of the toughest physical challenges ever in my life.
So to climb the Mont Blanc you start at a local train station, as you can see here. We decided to climb the Mont Blanc with the help of a professional guide in 2 or 3 days. Now, as you've probably noticed, the weather was not on our side, and in this first part there's not supposed to be any snow.
Alright guys, we made it to the first cabin. It's about 3,200 meters high here. First chapter in the books.
Now the first half of the first day is relatively easy. The second half, however, is a different story. The route is quite technical and the snow makes it extra hard. The 3 of us are connected by ropes and we are all wearing snowshoes, but it's still quite easy to slip. When we got to the top at refuge de Goutier, it was still snowing.
Alright guys, so it's day 2 of the ascent, but unfortunately the weather doesn't allow us to continue. It's way too bad, it's complete wipeout, there's snow everywhere, it's knee high. So we'll have to wait for tomorrow and see if we can continue our journey to the top.
So yeah, day 2 was a complete waste of time. We just waited around, which I don't recommend because the hut is quite expensive. To pass the time I also tried to use my drone, which wasn't a good idea. So day 3 was our last day. We decided to give it a try even though it was still snowing in the morning.
Alright guys, this is day 3 of the ascent, but unfortunately the weather doesn't allow us to continue. There's still a lot of snow, even avalanche danger more up. So unfortunately we have to go back to the hut for safety measures.
Yeah, not just a lot snow, but the most you can get in the summer.
Yeah. The weather's really bad guys, so we're heading back.
My heart sank into my stomach upon hearing the news that we had to go back, that we couldn't reach the top. If the conditions would have been better, we definitely would have made it. I mean, we were definitely in good shape. Luckily on the way down we still had some nice views from time to time. Even though we failed our objective to meet the top, it was still a rich experience. But definitely consider the weather conditions before trying the ascent yourself.